Hi everyone, Mike Lusio here for a new video 2-in-1. That's a sale for the car mount, the basic setup and the more professional, the evolution. So let's go. If you want to film with a little cinematic setup like this, Fuji XT-4 series anamorphic lenses inside of the car or outside of the car. You need, of course, a cage, very important, and two magic arms, but the more advanced, the more professional, because of the teeth, they are much stronger, because this one, they are much smaller, that's not the same.
That's what she said!
And they are not very secure, the setup can turn, but this one have little pins of each side, the ARRI locking mechanism, like this, it doesn't turn at all. This one, it can move, it works fine for monitors or little lights. If you want to put it on the car, it's more secure with this type, and that's why it costs a little more. Or you put it inside with super clamps, SMALLRIG, and you have the holes for the pins, so it doesn't turn. You can put it like this everywhere in the car, that's great. But if you want to put it outside or inside, but on the glass with the suction cups from ULANZI, the cheapest I could find. You can find it everywhere on their website or on Amazon or AliExpress. That's where I bought them. That was the cheapest. Once the red ring disappear, you pump. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Before, you don't forget to clean the car, or inside or outside, and it stays. Et voilà le petit setup à l'intérieur. Le Fuji, la ventouse, et que c'est pas toujours obligé de mettre la ventouse, voilà, on peut toujours mettre les super clamps. Alright. Cheapest one and the little one, because that's the 4 inches, you have the 6 inches, a little bit bigger, with a bunch of holes. You have the little holes for the pins. That's why it's great to be more professional, to be more secure, because with the car you don't want to create an accident. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's better to be more secure. For the cinematic shots, the cheapest one, but with a great quality. They come with this rail too, you can put it on top, and if you already have magic arms with the rails lock, you can put it and lock here. You have the two pins. If it's a little bit loose, it doesn't come off easily, but personally I prefer this method. I was a little stressed for the first time. You put it like this on the car, you don't know if it will stay. I tested several times. The road was okay, so not a lot of up and downs, but it stays in place and it works fine. Alright, so if you don't want to spend 400 for the whole setup from SMALLRIG, because there are other brands, the iFootage, the TILTA one, but they are more expensive. For the little setup like this, you can save a lot of money buying these products separately, but you know, you don't have the whole package. If you can afford it, go for it, because in the future maybe you would use it. It's not a sponsor video. I bought them and I tested for my project, so I show you this little setup can work. So that's the basic one, and that's it for the more advanced setup. You need, I recommend, the SMALLRIG plate, this little plate with this little arm. If you didn't saw, there was a video, I put the link here, so that's more secure, very easy. I put the little bracket for the handles, and you can put it in this little arm, very secure too. Little down, it's only powered by the V-mount battery, and the cable, it's a little bit short. I would prefer 50 centimeters. So 3 magic arms and 3 suction cups. So like this, very secure. On the little bracket, you have a lot of holes too. Here you have the ARRI locking mount, but for the 3/8, or you put a little adapter, or you use the one on the side. Once it's well tight, it doesn't move. And of course the plate has the ARRI locking too. For the 1/4, you put it directly, and like this, you don't need another plate. Like this, it works, and you can put the gimbal, the DJI RS234 and more. Là, c'est vraiment les points de suivi, ils sont pas top. Des fois, ça allait d'un côté et ça allait pas bien jusqu'au point où je voulais exactement, donc voilà. Mais bon, là on a le plan, donc ça va. You can notice I put one in each side, you know, to counterbalance a little bit. It can move, so like this, you know, it's more secure. And like this, you can add the SMALLRIG remote control too, to be able to control the gimbal in the car. That's the whole ecosystem, you know, very great to use and easy, and the cheapest one. It's a great system, that's why I can recommend it, because I use it, and it's not a sponsor video. Donc ça a bien tenu, là ça tient bien. Là c'est juste ce petit V-mount là, qui est pas très sécure. Mais sinon tout le reste, le petit magic arm de chez TILTA aussi. On met pas le poids sur le rig en plus, on le met vraiment à côté. Alright. If you want and if you can buy the whole package, it's nicer, you know, you have the whole package already there and ready to go. If you have a little setup, you can use it. If you want to film with bigger setups, the gimbal and everything like this, you have all the accessories already there. It's up to you. I'm very happy with this little combo. SMALLRIG, ULANZI, FUJI, SERI, DJI. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this little video. Maybe I will put affiliate links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and until then, don't forget to enjoy sorry suction cups from small RS2, RS3, RS4, RS5, 6. Sorry.